Topping the news tonight, the war of words between the United States and China, sparking fears of a full-fledged trade war between the economic superpowers. In its wake, a plunge today of more than 500 points for the Dow on Wall Street. But President Trump is not backing down, instead threatening to tack on even more tariffs. China, though, says it can play that game too. CBS's Weijia Zhang tonight reports from the White House.
White House economic advisor Larry Kudlow says the root of the trade problem with China is China.
We can't let them steal our technology, because when they steal our technology, Eamon, they're stealing the guts of the American future.
President Trump accuses China of stealing U.S. intellectual property and other violations of global trade rules. And Thursday, the president threatened another $100 billion in possible tariffs. President Trump told a New York radio show any resulting short-term economic pain would be worth it.
So we may take a hit, and you know what? Ultimately, we're going to be much stronger for it. But it's something we had to do.
China calls the threat a big mistake. Leaders say their country will respond with, quote, great strength.
The tariffs have not yet been implemented, and the White House says it is open to negotiations with China, though Beijing has not been inclined to agree.
John Frisbee is president of the U.S.-China Business Council and says the blustering on both sides has already created problems.
It's already roiling markets, it's impacting prices for agricultural goods, it's creating a lot of uncertainty.
Frisbee says the best course is for both sides to sit down and come up with a solution to the issues. Weijia Zhang, CBS News, the White House.
The U.S. exports as much as $130 billion worth of goods to China. If China matches the U.S. threat for a total of $150 billion in tariffs, that would mean China would put a tariff on every single thing that the U.S. sends there.